had 123 millimetres, that's the biggest. Gladstone Radar had 117, Rolleston 36 mils on the Southern Highlands, and Biloela had 18. Here's a sample of today's temperatures, all above average again, especially at night. In the afternoon, humidity reading speaks for itself, 62% at Rocky Airport. Looking at the satellite loop now, tropical cyclone Yusi, now category 3 and drifting as planned in a slightly southerly direction, probably take a southwesterly track over coming days and decay and become an ex-cyclone, most likely scenario this is, as it approaches the southeast coast, affecting only the seas and swell and not so much the rain. So it's not that much really to be concerned about. What's more concerning is the upper low across southern Queensland, bringing these huge showers and storms, you might say, and they extend right through the central highlands into the tropics as well. On today's chart, we've got a trough that moves right up the central part of Queensland, a monsoon trough crossing the coast, reaching all the way out to the cyclone, and an extremely moist northeasterly air mass covering Queensland. On tomorrow, the inland trough reaches very close to the tropical coast, meaning that the winds will switch to the southwest, making for an extremely hot day in the tropics. And then on the outlook chart, still extremely unstable with showers and storms statewide as the cyclone drifts southward. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Capricornia waters, east to northeast winds 10 to 15 knots tomorrow on a 2.5 metre developing easterly swell. Thursday 10 to 15 knots straight on shore, then Friday a southwest to southeasterly change. Tomorrow should see a late morning to lunchtime high tide, and it's going to be huge again, just short of yesterday's peak of the Summer King tides. The Capricornia District forecast, a flood warning for the Fitzroy catchment, showers and storms with heavy falls again in the south. Gladstone 31 degree on this tempestuous Tuesday evening. Funny how one day we're praying for rain and a month later we're hoping we don't get too much. The land of drought and deluge where average never happens. Catch you tomorrow. Now it's back to the team.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. That's all from us for this Tuesday. Thanks for your company.
Just a reminder, anything you'd like to watch again, we have our replay in a moment on 7:2. We've got the National Bulletin coming up now and look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.
On 7 News tonight, trapped in the dark, waiting for rescue, a night of drama and a healthy top-up for our dams. A much-loved Queensland church up in flames, a place of worship now a crime scene.
Wills and Kate returning down